talaga. But anyway, this is really a one family, you know, and without expecting this, bati lang is gonna be enough for me, but today, I won't really forget it. Sabi ko nga sa mga kapatid ko, my own family, nung 50th ko, you didn't even bother to do anything, you know? Bakit ngayon 51 ko? It's like everybody's, Sister Nora, on Monday, is there any plan natin? No, there's no plan, you know? And then second day, ano ate, anong plano mo? I have no plan. You know, my birthday is Saturday, pero it's just gonna be like normal. You know, it passed already yung 50th ko. So anyway, and Brother Ding said that, and Jennifer, we have to go out, Mami.